How do I know if my AirPods have wireless charging? Green means fully charged, and amber means less than one full charge remains. When you connect your wireless charging case to a charger, or place it on a Qi-certified charging mat, the status light will stay on for 8 seconds. If the light flashes white, your AirPods are ready to set up with one of your devices. Can AirPods cause cancer? However, most other scientists still hesitate to say there is conclusive evidence that the small doses of radiation from cell phones and Bluetooth headsets are dangerous. They don't have enough energy to cause cancer by directly damaging the DNA inside cells, according to the American Cancer Society. What is the difference between AirPods 1 and 2? Both chips are responsible for the earbuds' seamless one-tap pairing process, but Apple claims the H1 allows the new AirPods to connect to calls up to 1.5 times faster and generally provide a more stable wireless connection to devices like iPhones and iPads, while making them up to twice as fast when switching between. Can AirPods 1 charge wirelessly? The Apple AirPower wireless charging mat charges multiple Apple devices at the same time. One of the devices that can be charged includes AirPods. The original AirPods battery case does not offer wireless charging. AirPods can also be purchased new with the wireless charging case included. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for more of these videos.